दोस्तों, राउडी राठौड़ की सक्सेस स्टोरी तो आप सब जानते हैं। शायद वही सक्सेस स्टोरी रिपीट करने के लिए अक्षय कुमार और प्रभुदेवा सर वापस आए हैं और आज वो दोनों हमारे स्टूडियो में हैं विद एमी जैक्सन, द लीडिंग लेडी ऑफ अक्षय कुमार इन सिंग इज ब्लिंग। तो लेट्स वेलकम देम। वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड।
थैंक यू।
प्रभु सर, आपसे शुरू करते हैं। इनफैक्ट आज सबसे ज्यादा सवाल प्रभु सर से ही करेंगे।
No, sir. Bye.
No, sir. Why are you so scared of speaking, sir? You make such lovely films, but बोलने में क्यों डर लगता है?
I don't know what to actually ask him. You know, if you ask him, अगर आप उनसे पूछेंगे, he will answer.
Oh, अच्छा, ऐसा
ऐसा
है?
नहीं है, because people have this thing that he doesn't
He's very
talk.
quiet.
Yeah, he's not
तो
quiet.
आज let us break that myth. प्रभु सर, let's break that myth.
Okay.
Okay. सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताइए, Sing is Bling, is it the sequel to Sing is King?
No, it's not a sequel to.
तो आप लोगों ने सिर्फ टाइटल उस टाइटल से बोरो
The
किया है?
title Sing is Bling is Sir's idea actually. We all like when he told Sing is Bling. Oh, very good, sir. Like,
But what does Sing is Bling mean?
Sing is Bling. It's not about the jewelry or
हाँ,
anything.
Bling generally we understand.
No,
about-
he shines.
अच्छा.
His character.
Okay.
That's it. Whatever he does, I mean, he does good. If you do good, then you will shine.
मतलब जिंदगी में कुछ ऐसा करके दिखाओ, what he's trying to. जिंदगी में कुछ ऐसा करके दिखाओ कि आप चमको लोगों की आंखों में.
Okay, okay, okay. तो ऐसा क्या करते हैं कि चमक जाते हैं?
He respects his father, mother as a Singh, and also he respects women a lot in this film. We are telling woman power that what woman has to be. Like that, many things. 1, 2, 3, and also the focus in the film is like somebody is not focused, be focused. It one thing. That is also.
तो आपका किरदार ऐसा है कि फोकस करके रखें। He has actually before the interview has told me कि आज मैं कुछ नहीं बोलने वाला हूँ। मैं तो मौन व्रत है। तो what is so different about Akshay Kumar from the rest of the heroes? See, if you laugh like that, I'll think there is nothing different. So he can be replaced easily. So now it's a question of his.
Think like that. He knows me.
No, but he knows you, but the world doesn't know you, na?
Okay, that only you has to know me. That's
चलो ठीक है सर.
अक्षय, आप ही बता दीजिए क्या डिस्टिंग्विशिंग फीचर्स है आपकी पर्सनालिटी में या आपकी एक्टिंग में?
Well, I have my own plus points and I have my own minus points. I personally feel when I do any crying scene, when I look at myself in a film, I see कि I don't cry so well. Okay. I don't look good when I'm crying. मैं जब देखता हूँ अपने आप को, मुझे लगता है यार मैं बड़ा भद्दा लगता हूँ रोते वक्त. कोई लोग होते हैं बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, जैसे सलमान है. जब वो रोता है स्क्रीन के ऊपर, मुझे मतलब एक बहुत ही सॉफ्ट फेस नजर आता है. या यू फील फॉर द कैरेक्टर. जैसे संजीव कुमार साहब थे, जब वो रोते थे बहुत अच्छे लगते थे. तो मैं रोता हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, बराबर नहीं रो रहा हूँ. मतलब बराबर नहीं रो रहा हूँ, मतलब इमोशन बराबर है, रो रहा हूँ, वाकई में रो रहा हूँ, लेकिन
वो स्क्रीन पर इतना
अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज वन थिंग. ठीक है, कॉमेडी थोड़ी बहुत कर लेता हूँ और
थोड़ी बहुत नहीं, बहुत अच्छी कर लेते हैं आप कॉमेडी.
नहीं, थैंक यू वेरी मच. एक्शन कर लेता हूँ. ये मेरे में एक खामी है जो कि इन लोगों में बहुत अच्छी है. शायद अच्छा लगता है रोते हुए. अजय जो है उसकी पावर है वॉइस. उसका जो वॉइस है बहुत बुलंद है. उसके जैसे मेरी आवाज़ नहीं है. मेरी आवाज़ थोड़ी पतली है उसके हिसाब से. एंड सो ऐसे कई चीज़ें हैं जो अलग अलग होती है हमारे.
तो जो प्लस पॉइंट्स है आपके, वो तो प्लस पॉइंट्स हैं. जो आपने कहा कि मेनली आपने कहा कि 2 माइनस पॉइंट्स है. एक इमोशनल सीन इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है स्क्रीन पर जब आप रोते हैं, जब आप रोते हैं. और सेकेंडली आपकी आवाज़ पतली है. तो इनमें सुधार लाने के लिए कुछ और करते हैं आप?
जब रोता है इंसान, वो वैसे उसमें सुधार नहीं आ सकता. उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये हो सकता है कि हल्का रो.
Maybe you agree with Akshay. Do you look good crying? Have you ever analyzed it that way?
Oh, by the way, she has cried in Sing is Bling. And I think that was मैं अभी बल्कि हाल ही में डबिंग कर रहा था, तब I was sitting with the guy who was doing my dubbing, the recordist, and I said she looks very good crying.
क्या बात है?
She has
I don't
done
think anybody looks good crying.
No, but if he says you look nice crying, you must be looking
I'll
nice.
cry more then.
There's one
No,
more
he's
thing.
made her cry. Because what happened was first she मतलब because it's her first and second film, तो थोड़ी बहुत inhibition थी, and I remember that scene. You know when you come to know
I
कि
remember
your mother.
the mother exactly.
Exactly.
Because she's very tough and hard throughout the first half of the film. So this is the first part where
She
Prabhu
breaks.
sir has made me break down and show some emotion. So it was a important scene.
Oh, that's very nice.
Now we should ask Prabhu sir, did you make her do this?
Yes, exactly. My next question.
What
but I was
did he
just about
say?
to add.
What did he tell her?
Yeah, but you know, you shouldn't feel bad about crying because in the film industry it is said that the more you make people cry, the more the producers laugh all the way to the bank.
Perfect.
Because so be proud that you can cry well.
Can we slap her now?
That is not allowed. Yes, but how did you make her cry?
No, I told her the scene, and also once I also showed her.
Acha, you showed her crying, please. So that means, you wait on. So now just enact that scene.
No.
Then we want to see whether Prabhu Deva sir looks good crying or not.
Don't look. I don't look good.
But you actually cried,
Sir
didn't
is very good with me, and
you? No, but he cried.
he didn't. Well, to an extent, he got the emotion there and the build up, and then let me get the tears out, I suppose.
Prabhu sir, set par bhi, on the sets also you are as quiet as you are in interviews.
Not quite.
You talk to them?
Yeah, of course, I have to. I will.
I can't believe it.
No, he gets angry also on sets. And the best part about him, he doesn't remember.
That he's gotten angry.
Yeah. I have seen him shouting at
What gets your goat?
the dress.
What angers you?
The dress guy, he shouted at once, I'll kill you.
I never will say.
Sir, I am telling you, I will bring you that lady and I'll show it to you. I'll kill you. You have told her I'll kill you.
What is it that angered you so much that you went to kill somebody? Of course, you wouldn't have killed, but but I believe him. He doesn't lie very easily.
Sir, I will
He doesn't
show
lie.
it to you. I will tell you. But that was a joke also. In my van, sir, we were sitting down. That woman is like, he's told me I'll kill you.
Prabhu sir, does anybody take you seriously when you get angry and you say things like, I'll kill you? Nobody can.
No, it's for 1 second, 2 seconds. That's it. Immediately, just for that moment.
Does inefficiency get to you?
Once you have done, once you have even said, where's my gun?
You know this? No, now you know.
This I might not believe. This I might not believe.
I am okay, you guys don't believe. I am telling you, he's look for where's my gun. And he watches the shot like this.
And when it's okay?
No, he doesn't. He just tells him, okay. So then that guy shouts, okay! Sir, you watch the shot like this or not? So what is this? What did I do just now?
No, I didn't tell. No, sir.
Sir, I watch you.
He is a very observant guy. Huh?
Yeah,
He observes. He can imitate anybody anytime.
No, because my job is to look at a lot of people.
Observe,
You know,
observe.
the best, I tell you, my hobby is to sit down at the airport when we are waiting
And
for the
observe
flight.
people.
And just look at people and look at them, what is their problem. If somebody is on the phone, कि क्या बात कर रहा होगा, किससे बात कर रहा होगा, क्या बोल रहा होगा इस वक्त. You know, it is so much fun.
But it's good to know that a person like you, a star, a big star like you, goes so much in advance at the airport.
That is one thing in my life, I hate it. जिंदगी में एक बार वो भी शूटिंग की वजह से मैं लेट हुआ था and I entered the flight. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि सारी फ्लाइट मुझे देख रही है. आ गया.
वो तो इसलिए देख रही थी कि अक्षय कुमार आ गया.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है लेकिन वो चोर हूं मैं इस वक्त.
exactly.
तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी वजह से सब डिले हो गए और सब यूं देख रहे. आओ बैठो चलो आ गए हो.
Prabhu sir, what is it that gets you most excited on the sets?
For every shot when they do the job, I mean, immediately I get excited.
अगर कोई बहुत अच्छा सीन दे देता है, what is the maximum level of excitement and how do you convey it?
I don't know whether I convey it or not. I just go
That's
ahead.
very
of-
unfair to your stars, no?
Then I have to tell for each shot. But then the other shot will be.
क्या बात है? But
I don't know.
How do you convey to them? You just say okay.
Did I told?
Says, yeah, you have said, and he praises when they're really good. After my action scene, after the interval scene, sir, I think you liked it. Yeah.
I think.
I don't know. I'm onto
So
something.
what did he say? He's asking you.
Amy, good.
But that's
That's all. Amy, good. That's all.
Yeah, that's
So
all I
you-
need. Approval, that's fine.
just like Facebook, likes and dislikes.
Other directors must be pampering you.
Everybody everybody's different, you know, not particularly. And I think, you know, if it's deserved, then they'll praise you. If you've done well, then obviously you'd be praised. But if it can be improved, then they'll speak to me. It's not like I need to be, you know, taken care of like a child. I want to be told what's good, what's not. And that's the job of a director, I suppose.
Okay. Now, like Akshay and I were in a pact about making Prabhudeva sir speak, we were also in a pact to make you speak in Hindi. Now, this same answer, the same reply which you've given me, अब ये हिंदी में कहकर बताइए पूरा.
उसका इम्तिहान क्यों ले रहे हो?
नहीं, इम्तिहान आपने ही बोला था. He has told me कि please. He said one long answer, make us speak in Hindi.
एक काम कर, इसको हिंदी में गवा ले.
नहीं.
हाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ, गाती है हिंदी में.
हाँ, मैं हिंदी सीखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. You know, प्रभु सर को पता है कि ऑडियंस को क्या चाहिए.
Fantastic, but you speak good Hindi. You've learned quite a lot.
I was nervous coming on your show because I know you were going to ask me.
So अब हिंदी में गाना.
Thank you, Kamal.
हिंदी में गाना.
Oh, sorry. Now I've
That
ruined
was
it.
so sweet. Let's hear some 2 lines, just 2 lines.
Okay, I'll sing from Sing and Kor.
Okay.
रानी मैं रानी यहाँ सब पहचानते, लाखों की मेरी पीछे लगी है कतार वे.
You sing well. You speak well, good Hindi. You sing well. So why are you underestimating your
I shouldn't
talent?
next time.
Yes, Prabhu sir. Music has become very popular. हर गाना जो आप लोग रिलीज करते हैं लोगों को बहुत पसंद आता है. तो बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट गई है.
Actually, first when we start the film, we thought of normally we go with one music director. Sir told, "Sir, let us do like this." And it was a good idea. We can also everybody has done a wonderful job. Thanks to them, and not only for this film, I've seen Sir film, all films. Audio is so good.
Exactly. Your sense of music is also very good, good or extraordinary.
We think we good, but when it goes to people, they will say whatever. We think.
But looking at your films, R. Rajkumar had lovely songs, Wanted had lovely songs, Rowdy Rathod had lovely songs, Sing is Bling has lovely songs. So probably you would want to take the credit, some part of the credit at least.
No, it's like a teamwork sometimes. It happens with this teamwork only.
How sweet can you be? You just don't want to take credit for anything, right? Rowdy Rathod bhi ban
Really, it's
gayi.
teamwork only. Really, it's teamwork.
Amy, let's hear you. How good are you at dancing?
I'm okay. Now I'm learning a lot more, and on this film, obviously, with Prabhu sir and Akshay, and we had great choreographers. As Sir said, there were 4 different music composers, so 4 different choreographers. So I got to learn with, you know, Bollywood's finest, I suppose.
But to match steps with Akshay Kumar is not an easy task.
He's
such
full
a
of
fantastic.
energy.
Yes, exactly.
Oh,
and he's such a
he's full
fantastic
of life.
energy plus grace. So how difficult was that? Did you get nervous?
You know, I was nervous at first, but when we're on set, we have so much fun. And Akshay told me it's all about, you know, confidence and enjoying yourself. And it's all about this mainly. You know, if you express and you enjoy yourself, then people will enjoy watching you.
Actually, आपके लिए तो डांस बाएं हाथ का खेल है.
नहीं, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ इनको, मुझे डांसिंग इतना अच्छा नहीं आता. मेरी डांसिंग ज़्यादा करके एरोबिक्स लगती है. Whenever he knows it, that he gives complicated steps and all, and then he looks and laughs when he tells me, sir. And he looks at me. He also knows it that some steps don't suit me, complicated. So and they give me a little complicated, then they say कि अच्छा,
easy कर देते.
this is. Now you do this will suit. They know what steps will suit me. More like a hard step. Hard when I say bada step suits me more rather than those. All those.
But Prabhu sir, amongst your heroes, the ones you have worked with, who is the best dancer?
Shahid Kapoor. Good dancer.
So you have to work the least on Shahid Kapoor? As far as dancers are concerned?
No, it's not. See, I'm choreographing for past like 25, 26 years I'm doing it.
Correct.
So it's not the least or thing. The actors must be interested in that. That's it. And also when Sir is, he dances from, that's what I think he listened to the, that's what we need. The energy, we will connect.
What is this film about? Sing is Bling.
The film is, sir, she doesn't know how to speak Hindi. at all.
Okay, okay.
I don't
अच्छा
know.
फिल्म में भी
Maybe.
अच्छा अच्छा
I don't know a word of English
Okay.
in the film. So
फिल्म में भी नहीं कहूंगा
फिल्म में भी चलेगा. तो हम दोनों को हमारा लैंग्वेज मिलती नहीं है, बट देयर इज अ केमिस्ट्री. अब इस चीज को बढ़ाने के लिए क्या बात कैसे करें? तो एक ट्रांसलेटर को लाया जाता है जिसका नाम है लारा दत्ता. तो वो ट्रांसलेटर आती है, एंड देन in the process she hates me.
लारा दत्ता
Lara Datta. Not that she's in love with me, she just hates me. And वो हमारा लव स्टोरी का कबाड़ा कर देती है ट्रांसलेशन में.
अच्छा
और प्लस ये है कि मेरे में एक प्रॉब्लम है, मैं फोकस नहीं कर पाता हूँ. मेरा किरदार वो है कि जो एक चीज को खत्म नहीं करता है. तब ये इस कैरेक्टर को, मतलब इस मेरे पिताजी समझा के कि जिंदगी में कुछ ऐसा कर कि अब एक काम को पूरा कर, और वो काम क्या है वो फिल्म के अंदर पता चलता है. हाउ ही शाइन्स, हाउ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स कम, देन ही कम्स आउट ऑफ इट बाय फोकसिंग. इन लाइफ whatever you want to achieve, you have to focus, and that is जो सीख मिलती है इस फिल्म के अंदर से. माय लीडिंग लेडी, इन्होंने एक्शन बहुत कमाल का किया है अंदर.
स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग फॉर दैट
Yes, because I'd never done any action before. So we trained for about 3 or 4 months beforehand, martial arts.
But tell me, how did you think of casting her in a role which demanded action?
Normally, when our Indian girls does fight, somewhere that shy, that you don't know that, but
Because
not shy, that
she's
the attitude.
Okay.
Something- attitude. Somewhere
Like,
it.
I love one shot of hers कि एक आदमी उसको एक लड़के को, मतलब फाइटर को मारती है पीठ पे, and the walk. After the walk, not even looking at the person.
Oh, so
I know for
confident that I've done it.
And the walk, and then I even love one shot where the guy has broken something on you, and you block it, and then you hit him, and then you just look at it. I like it. It's a very,
Unbeatable guys, basically, so I enjoy it.
फिल्म अच्छी लगती तो आप दिल खोलकर सबको बोल सकते हैं. जब अच्छी नहीं लगती है तो रिलीज से पहले किस में कन्फाइड करते हैं कि मुझे लगता है ये नहीं चलेगी?
पहले तो सबसे पहले अपने आप से ही कर लेता हूँ. क्या मतलब अपने आप को ही बता देता हूँ कि यार ये फिल्म
Chance कम
मुझे
है.
नहीं लगता है चलेगी. और फिर उसके बाद I speak to my sister. She is the one, because वो
उनका
सभी
judgment अच्छा है?
हाँ, मतलब दुनिया में ऐसी, हिंदुस्तान में कोई ऐसी फिल्म नहीं होगी जो उसने नहीं देखी है.
क्या बात है, रियली?
पहला या सेकंड शो वो हमेशा जाके देखती हैं.
और जजमेंट बहुत सही जाता है.
ऐसे लोगों का जजमेंट बहुत सही होता है क्योंकि उन्होंने हर
कोई
फिल्म को एक ऑडियंस के साथ बैठ के देखी है.
सही. प्रभु सर, the last question to you, what are you looking at, what figures are you looking at for Sing is Blink? Don't say sir I can't understand figures.
Figures, so of course, we all want it as to be a super hit.
So what is your definition of super hit for Sing is Blink? What will you be happy with for the first day figure or for the first weekend
I
figure?
don't know about the figures, I say, but people has to like it.
So the figure work, I think Akshay Kumar will do, because Akshay Kumar likes figures.
This being a commercial film, if I understand what it is, then I think it should, the first weekend, that is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it should have at least about 52 to 55, that kind of a figure, knowing that it's just a one-day holiday and not the other days a holiday.
Correct. 2nd October की
Yeah.
छुट्टी है.
And I think then after Monday the film itself speaks.
Will speak for itself. Correct.
And if it is good enough, then it will have another Monday coming for about 8.5, something like that.
चलिए, fingers crossed. Thank you so much for being on the show. And here's hoping and wishing that yes, the film does well, immensely well. Thank you so much.
Thank
you. Thank you.